Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. Um, found a royalty-free music, jazz music in the background. So I'm trying it out. You guys will probably hear me listening to it while I'm working on planes. I figured I'd come on here and show you the wing of what I'm doing here. Um, you can actually see right here in the camera. I started off with a I started off with putting in some holes in the back here. These are actually going to be the cables that will run. These are the holes that will run the cables for not only the motors, but I'll actually make these a little wider, and then over here too. And these is where the motor cables will be coming through, and then these will also be the cables for our ailerons, and for eventually. Actually, what I'm going to be doing is putting the flap controls in this box, which will be closer to the fuselage. So they'll be on inboard flaps, flap control. And yeah, I'll be doing that way. That it'll be a little easier to run the cables closer because I won't have to go so far out. I just realized some of these ribs are not. This rib here is not even glued in, which be kind of good idea that I glue it in right now. You can also see the rib, the center spar. But yeah, I'm going to cut some holes here, and you can watch me go ahead and do that. So if you were looking for royalty-free music, and if you just want to listen to some good jazz, this is a good station. If you're not a jazz guy like I am, I mean, I can listen to jazz, I can listen to beat music, lo-fi music. I like listening to anything that has a pretty cool beat to it. Okay, that's it for that side. Okay, well, that's how it goes. Still a lot more to go. I've got to find the motors that I'm going to be using for this. I already have the wiring substance for it, and so on. I'm just going to continue on. Actually, let me get this one here while you're here on camera with us. And just to give you guys a heads up, Thursday afternoon, I'll be going live here because I'll be charging the batteries on the on my planes. Most likely, I will go live the minute I get back home from work. So if you want to come on here on Thursday and watch me work on planes, I'll be working on this aircraft specifically, and I'll be charging batteries for the fun fly that'll be happening on Friday, our 4th of July event at our flying field. So, all right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out. Talk to y'all later.